Really real, no, this is not for play. I see you and you see me, you wanna ride the wave. I can spot you from a mile away. Tap the gas and I'm gone, this is not a race. I just bought some racks in. Babe, what's happening? It's just me, my guys, I don't got no rap friends. You ain't see the front, but talking back ends. 1, 2, 3.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. While you're at it, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. In today's video, this has been a video that I wish would have came a lot sooner. It's our first race since the car's been back running. Today we're going to be racing a manual ZL1 with pretty much full bolt-ons on it, with a Magnuson, with an E50 mix. I'm definitely excited about it. It's literally the first time that I've had any action in a year and a half, besides striking hits, dyno runs, etc. I'm kind of nervous, yet I'm excited. I've raced this car before, we've beaten it before, but I haven't raced anything to compare where the build is at now to where it was back then. Literally, that was the last race I've ever had with this car, and it's going to be the first race again. With that being said, we're going to be setting up the GoPros here, going to meet with them, and hopefully have a little bit of fun.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One, two, three.
Alright guys, those were some pretty good runs. The first run I had traction control on, so I didn't run quite as fast as I wanted to. Second run I turned it off, still ran a high 4-second pass. So I was happy with that, especially with the extra passenger in the car. That being said, definitely happy with the results. The car has proved itself. Third pass, I actually did fourth gear hit to give him more of a fair chance because he was spinning a little bit. So either way, I ran out of room on that pass and had to let out early, and still ran a 5.2, I think, with traction control on. Still happy with the results either way. This car still has a few improvements to make. Car's actually going lean on the top end, so we're going to have to address that issue. Once we address that, the car should be ready to go. The car's probably going to be down for a few weeks, maybe even a couple of months at this point, because my daughter's about to be born. So I'm really not going to have too much time for it right now, and we're going to have to be upgrading our fuel system and getting a triple hat rather than a dual hat. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what kind of video you want to see next, or what you want to see me race next. And of course, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm checking out.